right now.
Yes, my dear
I
brother.
need to switch off the camera because internet connectivity is poor here.
Okay.
Can you see now?
Yes, my dear brother.
Okay. Okay. Let's go and start one by one. I will give you the brief introduction about the company, and then we can take the question answer what you have.
Okay.
Well, my name is Sam. I'm from New Delhi, India, and I am the working for Cubitech. And I will give you the brief introduction about the Cubitech, what company is doing, what is the vision, mission, and how they're going to serve globally. Cubitech is a registered company in Estonia as a fintech. And Mr. Greg Lyman. Mr. Greg Lyman is the CEO of the company, and he has the experience of three successful IPO over the 19 countries and 150 conferences. Personally, he has raised more than 300 million in blockchain projects.
Okay.
And one of the milestone work he has done that he is a co-founder of Canadian investment bank Digimax. So he is the man behind the company, and he is taking all the leads. And under his guidance, company is growing. And what this company is doing, company is working with the quantum technology. Quantum technology is a quantum computer that was developed by some of the scientists of California in 2012. Then I think Google is now using and they have the patent. The same things they are going to implement into the trading. And as per the McKinsey reports, 2035, the market will be 1 trillion of quantum. This is one of the best thing Qubitech is doing right now. Let's go to the who are the people behind the company and what is their own vision. So you can see Mr. Greg Lyman, I told you about him. He's Mr. Mark Swickel. Mr. Mark Swickel is the U.S. national, and he lives in Thailand. He has his own home, everything in Thailand. Mr. Arijit Bhattacharya, he is the blockchain gamer in the like 26 worldwide. You can go and search about him. And these are the other boards guy like Mr. George Sebastiani, one of the chief technology officer, master distributor, all across the globe. These are the boards who manage the company. Let's go and talk about Mr. Mark Swickel. Mark Swickel is the guy. He has experience of 25 years in international investment banking. He has attracted more than 50 million euros of Asian startup focused on AI robotic trading. Since 2014, he is engaged in business development and implemented project worth 1.9 billion in satellites, oil, gas, and infrastructure field. And since 2009, he owns a company that advises hedge fund and family offices for 500 million. He is the guy who was working with like the US hedge fund. So since 2015, he is acting as the advisor of the Ministry of Energy in Thailand, and he lives in the Thailand. An affiliate user more than rank 3 directly, he can connect him. You can ask the question, you can understand anything you want to know. Okay, and these are the documents. Company is registered in British Virgin Island. They have registration in Thailand and they have office in Thailand. So wherever company is going, they are legally going to register themselves and then they enter into the business. So this is the audience right now. I think this is the first. They just launched the company and they have the presence in these countries. You can see. I think mainly they have a big network in CSR region, and now they're going to do it globally. This is the company ecosystem. Companies in the crypto market, analytics, robotic trading, digital, corporate license. This is the one of unique thing I will tell you about that. Crypto P2P platform they have, Cubitech Academy they are training people professionally how to do the business. They give you training. So here like learn, earn and make money and grow together. This is the company motto. Then they have the double spin gaming services, which is going to register from Dubai. They have the blockchain phone, Q phone. They have the digital ecosystem of 2 years. So this company is fundamentally very strong, and the people working behind the company they are really very big. This is the crypto local P2P platform worldwide you can use, and you might be knowing about the P2P exchanges. And this is the double spin gaming. It is designed on blockchain. And gaming is one of the biggest industry right now. Due to pandemic, many people know about the importance, and it is growing really big. Then you have the Cubitech Academy. They teach you how to do the business, how to stay motivated, how to earn money, follow up, lead generation, everything company is doing. Then company has a mobile app. Globally, you can access your every data on mobile. Then you have the Q phone. It's especially designed on blockchain, and all the records and all the things are saved in blockchain, and it is highly secure. And then they have the robotic bots. So these bots, there were two bots initially. Now they have add the smart bot. These bots are really performing well. You don't need to do MLM. Just go and buy the bots. If you have account on Binance and Bitfinex, just extract your key and you can connect. And this trade will the trade will take place. And you can. There are three options like. You can go for high risk, low risk, and medium risk as per your choice. So your data you can see here. Then company has the project where all the people they are working. They have digital license. Digital license is like that company is in trading, and they have different revenue sources. So if you want to earn passive earning, you can buy the digital license. Like you can buy the bronze, and bronze start from $100. There are one, two, three, four, like eight packages. So you can buy any package and you can enter into the company, and you can work and do the affiliate marketing also. The total return is 250%. Like if you invest $1,000, company will return from the royalty is total 250%, and it's depending upon the market variation. Sometime market can go up, trade is not good, so it may be a little bit change. Once you buy the $1,000 pack, company gives you the digital with digital license. They give you bot absolutely free. You can try this bot and understand. Then the digital license is going to give you 250% in USDT totally calculation every day. The withdrawals come every day. Your revenue comes, and minimum is $100 afford to anyone, and 25% is the right now return is going on, but it may be changed according to the market sentiment and behavior. So every day withdrawals you can withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is $10. Okay, let's go. And another thing, they have the corporate license. This one is really big, and no company has such kind of product. Like that gives you like 70% return. Like you want to buy the car, you buy the company corporate license and wait for 4 5 months. And if you invest 30,000, company gives you 100,000. But you need to produce the document that you are going to buy a car, or you are going to buy a home, anything. It's up to you. This is one of the unique product company has. And the company, this is the corporate license benefit, like from 42 to 233% you can get. And waiting period is there, 30 to 70% full purchase cost from $100 to start. Any service and product you can choose. But here, it's not counting binary, only direct referral you will get in this product. Okay. So let's go. And these are the affiliates program for the networking, and the people who wants to work with the Cubitech. Cubitech gives you the 5 kinds of benefit. Number one is direct bonus. You understand direct referral. Number two, matching bonus. Number three, binary bonus, rank bonus, and quick start bonus. We will go through one by one. We understand, but they gives. Like quick start bonus is one of the good thing. Like you join the company with $100, you bring someone 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 5,000. So you get one account absolutely free of the lowest one, like 1,000 you will get free. So these are the conditions. In 1 month you can do 2 times, and this is really helpful. By this way, leaders can earn a lot. Then we go to these are the direct referral. If you join the company with $100 up to 500, then you get two level deep direct referral. Level first 6%, level two 2%. So it's almost 8% you get direct referral. Binary is 8%. If you have the package of 1,000 to 5,000, you get 6 and 3 direct referral, 9% is the binary. If you have the 10,000 to 25,000 pack, you get 3 level deep direct referral, and 10% is the binary. If you have the package from 50,000 to 100,000, you get 4 level deep, 8421, and 12% is the binary. You can buy the pack by using Visa, MasterCard, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. For the binary, one direct right and left is mandatory, then you are activated for binary. And as you buy the 1000 pack, the total withdrawal limit from binary and earning is 1000. This is the capping weekly. Then this is the big earning you have. The company gives you the 12 level deep matching bonus and rank bonus. What is rank bonus? To achieve rank one, company will give you $100 from their own side. You need to do 1000 direct referral, $2,500 in one leg, and $750 in second leg. So you can achieve rank one. So as you achieve the rank, to get, there is a very big thing I will explain you on next. So by this way, you can go up to 12 and you can earn up to 500,000. So these are the benefits. If you are rank one, matching bonus, like your downline binary, 5%, you get one level. If you are on rank two, you get two level deep. You are rank three, so you get 552. On fourth level, you get four. So on the 12, you get near about 10 level. So this earning is really big. Like you are getting here the company bonus and you are earning the matching bonus. So this earning is quite big. Then the company have ultra promotion affiliate user. They have the unique model. Like if you are rank five, the company deduct your 10% of earning, and that earning you need to expend on team building, marketing, Facebook, YouTube, offline, online event, and then you give justify your bill. The company release 10%. So by this way, upline automatically take care of the downline and do the marketing, and this is really helping company to go global. Once you are ranked 7 and high, company deduct your 20%. That 20% you need to expend on your team, and then company refund you. So these are the things. Conditional promotion budget. If you want, you can open the office. Like you can design your contest, anything you can do to enhance the business. Then, if you are rank four, company will give you like a Cubitech office. Company will provide you the office space, and company can give you the budget. You can have the office. Company will pay the rent. So globally, they are expanding their offices all across the globe. This is the really good. You only need to achieve rank four, then you can open office in your country wherever you want. And then currently the company have offices in Mexico, UK, Czech Republic, Ukraine, Turkey, Kazakhstan, Russia, Thailand, Cambodia, Nigeria. Official sales offices, Czech Republic, these are the sales offices and consultant offices. So right now company has on like a publishing house, and all the details you can go and check it out here, and company publish all the details. Then there is a lucky robot contest is going on. Like you just go and use the robot and share the experience. Company will give you the first prize is iPhone 11 Pro. Company will choose through the contest. And this is the Cubitech. Welcome to the future. And that's the presentation. Now you can ask me any question related to that, and I can reply you.
Yes, my dear brother, presentation was really awesome, and I saw uh, this YouTube, and I'm very excited. There are just very positive right now. The system is right now running, so that I'm very interested in the system. Uh, Right now, I will not ask any question. You just send me PDF. I will read it once again, and I will do a Zoom meeting once again, and then I will ask each and everything deeply. Okay, just turn on your webcam right now, and I'm going to stop this recording. Then we will conversation.
No problem.